great practice for building an analytical app, nice and simple. I hadn't built an analytic app for a long time, so it was a good refresher for me too. So first of all, we need two text inputs. So first one, we need to have our question. I've got a "Am I cool?" question there. And attached to that, we want to attach a text box. So what do we want to be displayed? Say, enter your yes/no question. And we just leave the action by default, so we connect those two together. And this action appears by default. It's just going to update that cell. So it's just going to change whatever the question is. We don't really need it as part of the workflow, but that's what we're using there. And then here we have our 7 different responses. So there's 7 that I just made up there, and we're going to use the random sample tool in order to choose just one of them. So random n records, we're just selecting 1, so 1 will only come out here. The reason that we're appending them is just so that it doesn't get upset that the interface tool isn't connected to anything, but we don't actually need our question in our output. All we want to show is the response. So if I run that, then this is one of our responses. So in this case, no way, Jose, I'm not cool. And then one thing that you also have to change if you go into the interface designer, this took me ages, by the way, to discover how to do this. We go into the properties, so the little cog down there, and on success, show results to user, open files from these tools. So open it from our browse, and that's how we can show what the response is when they run the app. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of my interface designer again, go to the little wizard wand opened on my other screen. So here's my yes no question. We'll ask again, am I cool? And we'll hit finish. And it says again, no way, Jose. I'll do it a couple of times just to show that it is doing something random. There we go, ish. This time I'm ish cool. And it will always choose something sort of random. There we go, probs not. Basically, I'm not cool, is what this app that I've built has told me. Great. So hopefully that was straightforward. Hopefully you enjoyed building your own apps as well. And thanks very much for watching.